Everybody tuned in, everybody watching, let's go. So what is up, everybody? We're still in the same place as we were last week for the price of Bitcoin, but we're going to touch more on that later on in the video. First, I want to talk about this guy right here. Now, this is BitBoy, also known as Ben Armstrong. He is one of the biggest crypto YouTubers. Now, why is everybody talking about him? There's a lot of drama, basically. And the main reason is because of this video right here. Let me play this real quick.
I don't represent the people. The fuck I don't. I'm the one who does. It's me. I'm the one out here putting the work in behind the scenes, trying to save crypto, while these devils, Sam Bankman-Fried, Brian Armstrong, they're trying to permanently ruin it. This is not about money for me. I hope you guys understand this. I'm here fighting for you. This guy with these freaking glasses on, this douchebag, is out here trying to tell you that only the suits know what to do. Only the suits. Only the people who have all the money. They're the ones who can determine what happens. No, our bill is for the people. And you're going to find this out. We've got the funding for it, and it's coming out. I don't represent the people. The fuck I don't.
So this is the pot that BitBoy stirred up this past week in crypto. And if you don't know who BitBoy is, he's one of the biggest crypto YouTubers, and some people love him, some people hate him, but I'll let you decide your own opinion. Let's get going with this week's analysis. Welcome to the Currency.com weekly analysis with me here, John Doe. Follow me on Twitter at RealJohnDoe. And let's get in it right away. Of course, this week we're talking about Bitcoin again and the rundown for this week's video. First things first, the 5 and 20-day moving average crossover, is that about to flip bullish? Next, we got the Bitcoin yearly bottom. Did it happen? And the current price consolidating at support. Then I'm going to give you a bullish scenario and a bearish scenario for the price right now. So first, have a look here at the channel. Currency.com. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Thumbs up this video, like, and let's get going. First at Bitcoin. If we have a look at the trader sentiment currently, it is 75% buyers with 25% sellers. Price did break out, about to potentially test $20,000, but it looks like we are getting that little retracement right now. If we do zoom out on this weekly, Bitcoin just moving sideways now pretty much all summer and now into the fall. But Elon Musk did put his opinion in. He said that right now, this global recession that's happening, or that's starting to happen, he sees it lasting till the towards 2024, which would be close to the next Bitcoin halving, which would be kind of pretty good if price does start to slow down. Until then, that's more time to stack those stats and buy some Bitcoin, potentially at a much cheaper price before the next halving shows up. Now let's talk about this price right now. So Bitcoin right here, it looks like we're just about to get that bullish crossover on the 5 and 20 period moving averages. The last time this has happened was right here, beginning of October, and it was followed by a rejection. And then we have here in the beginning of September, which was also followed by a rejection. So this would be the third time price crosses above, makes a bullish crossover for the 5 and 20 period moving average. And if it successfully crosses within this next 24 hours or so, then you can be bullish short term to see Bitcoin test some resistance up at $20,000 and then up here towards that $21,000, and watch for a rejection at each of these levels, because the market overall is still bearish. So these rallies in this bear market do rip quite a bit, but then they do not last too long, and all these gains can get erased within a day. So what I'm looking for after this 5 and 20 period bullish crossover is Bitcoin to test $20,000 at least. And that would be the range where I would look for some sort of rejection. And if the price continues there, then the next level for rejection is 21,000. And if it instantly rejects similar to the other two times, then we can see Bitcoin finally break that support and head down towards testing the yearly low range around 17,500. And that brings us to the next part. Is Bitcoin about to hit a yearly bottom, or did it already make that yearly bottom back here in June? Now that yearly bottom candle went all the way towards 17,500. Now is Bitcoin finally done here, and it will continue pushing sideways and potentially up until we get to the end of December, or will Bitcoin break down and make a new yearly bottom? We do have about 2 months for that to happen, and you can see there is quite a bit of support down below. So it's not likely, unless some sort of news comes out and markets just continue to flip extremely bearish, then we would see Bitcoin make a new yearly bottom. But as of right now, we still need to see Bitcoin break this 18,500 level and then 17,500 level within the next 2 months or so. And with Bitcoin having this consolidation at this support level, and most of these times have been pushing towards the support to try to break it. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 times now to try to break that support. This 5th time here, if we do head back down, will most likely be the time the support finally breaks and that consolidation. And then we have a new support towards this range between this yearly bottom and 18,500. So it would be somewhere between here as that next price range where we would consolidate at. And another thing that can happen after a long consolidation at support is sellers finally slow down and price starts running towards the upside. But as of right now, I'm still sticking with the price action and the trend. And if we do successfully get this crossover right here, it will be short-term bullish for Bitcoin. So you can expect some sort of rally to come within this next week or so. But as long as price stays below this 21,000 range, Bitcoin will still be in this same range since June. Nothing really exciting happening, and maybe even just a whole new dump in December. Test this $18,000 support again. Short term right now, I'm looking at Bitcoin test 20,500 to 21,000 on the bullish side. But on the bearish side, if we do get a rejection right away, I'm looking at this 18,500 support to get tested again and finally break to bring Bitcoin down to test that yearly low of about 17,500. We'll see how that goes down with this 5 and 20 period crossover. Follow up again in the next video about price. But if you want to learn more about crypto, make sure you're checking out the channel. We have a lot of educational videos on here and explainers so you can understand everything about the world of crypto. I'm checking out. Oh yeah, and since you watched the video here all the way to the end, I want you to give yourself a thumbs up by hitting that thumbs up button on this video. I'm out. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.